How do I send money from credit card to Zelle? Can you use a credit card on Zelle? I'm going to tell you if you can send money from a credit card to Zelle. And the short answer is no. Zelle doesn't support credit cards. Zelle only works with bank accounts in the US, specifically checking or savings account tied directly to a participating bank or credit union. When you set up Zelle through your bank's app or the standalone Zelle app, it'll ask you to link a debit card or connect your account details, not a credit card. That means you can't fund Zelle transferred with borrowed money, which is part of their policy to keep transfers instant and fee free. If you try to add credit card in the app, it just won't work. If your goal is to send money using a credit card, you'd have to look at alternatives like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. But keep in mind, those might charge fees for credit based transfer. So, no, Zelle doesn't accept credit cards, and there's really no workarounds for that.